Here's how to upload website to Hostinger. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. Here are my website source files. Upon opening the index file, my website runs seamlessly on my local computer. Begin by launching your browser and navigating to Hostinger's cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. Once logged in, proceed to the Websites tab. Locate your domain and click the Manage button. Here, you can either directly access the File Manager or search for this option. Click on File Manager. As the File Manager opens, you'll spot the public HTML folder, the core of your website. Open it up. You can see many files and folder here already. If you upload your files here, they will be live under your main domain. Alternatively, you can upload files within a designated folder. To initiate the upload, tap the Upload button at the top right corner, or simply navigate to the folder on your computer containing all the files. Select all files, then drag and drop them into the File Manager. This process may take some time. Track the progress by expanding the menu from the bottom right corner. Once completed, ensure the files have uploaded accurately. In my case, I can observe the recently uploaded folders. Finally, open your website in a new tab, and there you have it. Experience the transition from local to live, enriching your online presence.